I'm Kirsty, I'm one of the midwives, part of the infant feeding team. Sometimes when your baby's feeding, you might find it a little bit uncomfortable, and I'm just going to go through some little adjustments that you can make to help make that feed more comfortable for you. When baby's feeding at the breast, you want to make sure that there's not a gap between you and baby. Sometimes if there's a pillow or something on your lap, there can be a tendency to feed baby like this. So you want to make sure that you're scooping baby up with your arm. If you sit yourself back in the chair and bring baby to you, that gravity will help baby to be nice and close to you, keeping baby nice and close, and baby will feed much more effectively like that. They can be all hands as well initially, they just want to touch their face and things, so just ensure that their little hands are out the way, so you can just tuck one hand underneath your breast and the other hand on top, so they're almost going on like a little starfish like that. If you find as well, when you're looking down at your baby and baby's feeding, if you are finding it uncomfortable, it could be that baby's nose is touching the breast. That could be if you've got a finger or a hand on the back of baby's head, that could be causing baby to nosedive onto the breast. What you want to make sure is baby's head is nice and free, so baby tilts his head back when he approaches the breast and leads with the chin. So that sort of position there, when baby comes on, the chin leads, and when baby comes onto the breast, you should be able to see a natural gap between the breast and the nose when baby is on the breast. When you support your baby, instead of putting your hand on the back of baby's head, if you make a U shape between your thumb and your finger and just support baby just below the nape of baby's neck there, baby's head will be free to then tilt back and lead with the chin, and the nose will naturally be free then. Sometimes as well, if baby's feeding in a bit of a twist, so it could be that you're looking down at baby whilst baby's on the breast, and it could be that baby's lying on his back but then just turning his head to the side, so his body's in a little bit of a twist when he's feeding. So you want to make sure that baby's completely in line, so nose, knees and toes are all facing the same way, so baby's completely turned into you when baby's feeding. So if you're looking down at baby and baby's nose is touching the breast and you're finding it a bit uncomfortable, you can just simply bring baby down and round a little bit, so that nose then becomes free and that chin leads in. So you're going from nose diving to bringing baby down and round and bringing that chin in a little bit, and it's almost like a seesaw effect. So you've gone from that position to that position. So instead of nose in and chin out, you want the chin in and the nose out. So here are a few things for you to remember. Is your baby nice and close? Is baby's head free? Have you got a hand or fingers on the back of baby's head causing babies to nosedive? Is baby turned into you? So you want to make sure that baby's nose, knees and toes are all facing the same way and baby's not feeding in a twist. And finally, is that nose touching the breast? If so, just bring baby down and round and ensure that it's like a seesaw effect. The chin is in and the nose is out, not the nose diving and the chin out. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it useful.